Good day everyone, this is your second officer Dakuyan. Thank you all for coming for our passage plan briefing. So, as you can see, here there are already plotted our course from Cabugao Bay to Tacloban Port Station. So now I'm going to show to all of you our passage plan. So, our max drop is 10.5 meters and our speed is 12 knots. And now we are going to depart from Cabugao on December 12, 2022. So this is our waypoint 1, which is the Cabugao Bay. So our course of Cabugao Bay is 123 degree. So our distance waypoint to waypoint is 6.5 nautical miles and our distance to go is 141.5 nautical mile and the turning bearing is 341 degree. So our waypoint 3 is Ongay Points. The course of Ongay Points is 190 and the distance waypoint to waypoint is 48 nautical mile and the distance to go is 135 nautical mile and the turning bearing is 268 degree. So before we proceed the couple, we're going to get the ATC, height, and the UKC. So to get the ATC, we need to get the distance of Cabugao to San Bernardo. So the distance from Cabugao to San Bernardo is 51 nautical miles. Divide the speed, which is 12 knots. So 51 nautical miles divided by 12 knots is equals to 4.25 hours. Nautical mile. Sorry. So our ATC is 4 hours and 15 minutes. So before that, we're going to the x is 0.182, which is hindi pa siya pwede. Dapat we need to add the high water, which is the 0.03 meters. So 0.182 plus 0.03 meters is equals to 0.212 meters. So our height of tide is 0.212 meters and our charted depth is 14.6. So to get the actual depth, we need to add the high tide and the charted depth. So we get the 14.812 meters. And our static draft is 10.5 meters. And actually to get the UKC, we need to minus the actual depth and the static draft. So our UKC is 4.312 meters. So the waypoint 4, which is the couple, our course is 187 and the distance waypoint to waypoint is 10 nautical miles and the distance to go is 87 nautical miles and the turning bearing is 283 degree. So our waypoint 5, Malaga Lighthouse, the course of Malaga Lighthouse is 159 and the distance waypoint to waypoint is 30 nautical miles and the distance to go is 77 nautical miles. And lastly is the turning bearing is the 130 degree. And our waypoint 6, which is the Hanabas Channel Lighthouse, The course of this is 148 and the distance waypoint to waypoint is 60.5 nautical mile and the distance to go is 64 nautical mile and the turning bearing is 124 degree. And the waypoint 7, which is our arrival, which is the Tacloban pilot station, our course is 96 and the distance is 4 nautical mile and the distance to go 4 nautical mile and the turning bearing is 89 degree. The total distance of our waypoint to waypoint is 142 nautical mile. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching and God bless to all of you.